Welcome to Loch Lomond here in Bella Vista. I'm standing on the private boat dock included in my new listing, and I can't wait to show it to you. This gorgeous custom home, built in 2019 by O.A.K Homes, is located on 116 Kincardine Drive. You can jump right into your new lake lifestyle from your own dock, featuring 2 slips, boat lift, and a swim platform, which is perfect for catching the annual 4th of July fireworks show. Point Marina and the famous Point Restaurant are only a few hundred yards away and was voted the best place to watch sunsets in Northwest Arkansas. Also nearby are Scotsdale Golf Course, the Branchwood Recreation Center, miles of mountain biking trails, and the Bella Vista K9 Corral dog park. Now back to the house. Both stories of this house offer wraparound views and decks with exceptional windows and sliding glass doors. This home is exceptionally private as it was built in the middle of over an acre and has trees bordering on both sides. Are you ready to check out the inside of this awesome listing? Come on, let's do it. Upon entering the home, you're welcomed by the inviting kitchen with oversized island, dual sinks, and stainless steel appliances. Enjoy breakfast while taking in the lake views from both inside and outside. The living room has a wood-burning fireplace and connects you to the screened-in porch. The master bedroom has its own access to the deck, and you are sure to love the master bathroom with walk-in closet. Downstairs you will discover a second living room with lake views and another wraparound deck. You will also find 2 additional bedrooms, full bathroom, and a bonus space that can be converted into a bunk room or an office. Built in 2019, the high-end finishes, roof, HVAC, and water heaters all provide for a turnkey lake life experience. If you'd like to schedule a showing of this amazing property or any other lake property, call me, Adam Fleming, at 479-435-5353.